It's time for mail call. This is exciting. I don't get mail from viewers very often, but I have a package here. Let's open it up. We're gonna get right to it because it is hot today. It's 90 something outside, and I turned the air conditioner off because frankly it would make noise for the video. So I'm gonna try and do this without running the air conditioner. Okay, this is an Amazon package, and I believe it's something off of our wish list. Let's see if there's a card with it. I have a pretty good idea who it's from. I had a viewer contact me, so if there's no card, I will just tell you. There is, oh wait, let's see what's in here. Let's see what it says. Oh, I might have given a little bit of a hint there. No, there's no card, but I can tell you this comes from Willie. Thank you, Willie, so much. This is such a thoughtful gift. So look at this, guys. Look at this. Tell you what, this is a set of DeWalt wrenches, and I'm pretty sure, yes, these are metric wrenches. So these are so handy because both of our vehicles are foreign made and take metric sizes, and we like to do as much of our car repair ourselves if we don't have to get underneath it too much. If it's something we can do fairly easy, we do, and we need these for those. We also need we have some tools and equipment that sometimes we need a metric wrench for. So this is absolutely outstanding. Thank you so much, Willie, for this thoughtful gift. I'm gonna open it up. We'll take a look. We'll take a further look into this. DeWalt is our preferred brand of tools for consistency, and they have a good quality. So that's what we usually try to get when we can. Okay, let's see what it says. Shatter resistant, interlocking tool sets, and removable inner trays. It's got some more. I thought to bring scissors with me. This came over the weekend, but we were busy getting Carter off to school, so I didn't get a chance to open it yet. It's been taunting us from the table. Okay, let's see. What have we got? These flip down latches, yes. So the front latch is flipped down. This is a really nice set. I think this is just like for hanging it on the shelf at the store, so we'll probably take that off later. Here we go. Metric combination wrench set is what it says. Look at that. Look at that. And they're all still there. We will be sure to put these back in the box after we use them. Oh, these are nice. These are a really nice size and weight. I didn't realize, just looking at it, kind of how they would feel in the hand. But yeah, they have a real nice grip. Measured very, labeled, with their measurement very clearly on both sides, and it's got the regular wrench side, and then it's got this other end to it. There's probably like a fancy name for that, but I don't know what it is. But it said with slide out trays, so let me see what else is in here that I'm overlooking. This is gonna be much better than digging through a tool bag. Okay, so I have limited space in the car, but I had a busy day and I wanted to do this. I wanted to share this lovely gift with you guys. All right. Oh, okay. So it just pops out like this. I guess if you didn't want to keep them neatly organized, you could take out the tray with the labeling and you could keep them in this box, and then you would have room for other tools that you could put in there with it if you wanted to. We will probably keep it in the box like this. We have a socket set, and our socket set always is kept just where you can easily spot it. It's kept like in the little slots like this, and it's very handy. So I imagine we'll probably keep the tray in here so we can quickly observe which one we need. So these are going to be very, very useful on the homestead, on our farm. Thank you again. This is a really thoughtful gift and it is much appreciated. And I'm sure that Chris will comment down below. He comments as Plan B Orchard and Farm. That's our farm name, because he would go and reply to people as me, as not a farm girl. And I'm like, wait, that's not how I say stuff. I wouldn't say that. So I made him get his own channel so he could leave comments. So if Chris has anything more to say about this, it'll be in the comments and I'll pin it to the top. Again, thank you, Willie, for this great gift. Very much appreciated. I think I've said that a bunch of times, but it's so true. It's very, very thoughtful. These will be used for years to come. Oh, and look, it has a handle. Nice, a little carrying handle. Love it. That's fantastic. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.